Hello mga guys, inantok pa ako. Kailangan nang bumangon. It's 5:20 in the morning na. It's daily routine of... Yung iba tapos na kumain ako. Kakain pa lang. Rino ka, you have work today? Tinatabad ako guys. Nakaligo na naman ako eh. Kailangan ko lang kumain. Ayan. Aking tulugan. Inaantok pa si Inday. Oh my God. Buhay OFW cleaning. Thank you for watching. Good morning.